Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to create a Gmail account. So to do that, head over to your web browser and search for accounts.google.com and go to create account. And once you click on it, you'll get this layout. So select for my personal use or for my child or for my work or business. So I'm just choosing for my personal use. And here you have to give a name like I'm giving this one and tap on next. And here give your birth date, like any date you want. And use your gender. Tap on next. And here you can just choose any of these Gmail account that is available, Gmail email address. And you can also create your own Gmail address. So I'm choosing this one, tap on next. And then you have to give your password and confirm the password by giving the password again. And once you do it, you have to tap on next and then your Gmail account will be created. As I don't want to create any Gmail account right now, I'm not doing that. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next one.